Hello lovely ladies, it's me Michelle, your independent Gelmoment distributor, and I am so excited. I was doing some experimenting. I wanted to find a way where we can just use our regular polish with the stamping kit, but because it's too thin on its own, it doesn't transfer well, and I'm like, there's gotta be a way to make it work. And I have to tell you, I came up with a paste, and so I mix the polish with some chrome, and it transfers very, very well. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So I'm going to use some In the Mood polish. I'm going to put it on my silicone mat right here. And it's a big glob because I want to do more than one nail. Then I take some of my chrome powder, and it does get a little bit everywhere. That's why I like to do it on my silicone mat, because it's easy for cleanup. And then I use one of my flat brushes from my creativity set. And I pull out some of that chrome powder and I just dump it in to my polish. And I might make it a little bit more.